At Air Solution and Repair, we care. We care for your family. We care for humanity. This is why we introduce our Indoor Quality Air Program. Because in current times, we all need to make an effort to reduce the spread of viruses and bacteria. Improving and protecting the air quality in your home or business starts here. With ultraviolet technology direct to your HVAC cooling coil, or needlepoint bipolar ionization technology that creates positive and negative ions, reducing pathogens, allergens, particles, smoke, and odors in the air, eliminating SARS-CoV-2 COVID-19 to 99.9% in just 30 minutes. Produce a healthy and safe environment at your home or business by purifying every cubic inch of air your central air conditioning system reach. Contact our air quality specialist today to find the perfect product for your home or business. Air Solution and Repair. Because we care.